Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn Food Etc. Today's recipe will be homemade burgers. It's really easy to make and much more tastier than what we are buying from other food chain. So let's go make some of our own homemade burgers. For our ingredients, we have here 457 gram regular ground beef, 454 gram lean ground pork, we need 2 pieces of bread, white bread. We finely chop 1 small white onion, mince 4 pieces garlic cloves, at least 1/4 cup finely chopped or fresh parsley, around 2 tablespoons freshly chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 egg. We're just going to mix all our ingredients, starting with our meat. This is my ground lean pork, and then the ground beef. This is regular ground beef. It's not a lean one, but it's still regular. And then our garlic, onions, fresh parsley, fresh cilantro. Okay, those herbs, you can't skip it if you don't really like herbs. It's just I love to have herbs in my burger. Some salt and some pepper, and then 1 egg, and then there's 2 white bread. We have to soak it in water and squish the water out, and then we can add it in our burger mix. And then you squish the water out. You can actually just, if you don't like to soak it in water, you can use milk, which is much better. Yeah, just get rid of the water, and then we can add this in our burger mix. If you don't have bread, you can use breadcrumbs. Just replace it with 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and that should do it. I'll just mix this all up. So with your seasoning, you can just adjust your seasoning according to your tastes. If you like it more a little bit salty on the side, you can add more salt. So this recipe probably will make at least 6 burger patties. We just need to mix this really well so everything is well incorporated. So, okay, that's it. So now we're going to form a ball about the size of our base bowl, just like this. Okay, Then we're going to flatten it up. There you go. There's our burger patties. So what we're gonna do, we put a little bit of indentation in the middle, so when we cooked it, it's not gonna be deformed. Like, it will shrink most of the time, and it will change its shape. So that will be better to have an indentation in the middle. Okay. Around the size of a baseball, just like that. Here you go, guys. 6 burger patties is done. Now we are going to put it in a barbecue. So what goes inside our burger? We have some salad. We have this individual cheese, pickled cucumber slices, fresh thinly sliced onions, and thinly sliced tomatoes, and some jalapeno or spicy pepper pickled. Need mayonnaise, and of course our burger buns. And right over here I'm cooking some bacon, and that's extra for my burgers. Before I put these patties in our barbecue, I will drizzle a little bit of olive oil on both sides, so it wouldn't stick on our barbecue grill. Spread the oil, just like that. Okay, flip this and do the same in the other side. I won't be cooking all the patties because I just need 2 patties today, and the rest I will put it in the freezer for later use. Okay, then we're going to put this in a barbecue at 350 degrees temperature and we're cooking this at least maybe 4 minutes per side. Ready, you can take them out. guys, our burger is fully cooked. Now we're going to put all the stuff in our burger. Okay, first we are going to put some mayonnaise on both slices of our bread. Some people use ketchup. I prefer mayonnaise. Okay. Next, we are going to put our patties in the middle. Our cheese. Some tomatoes. A little bit of salad. Spicy pepper, onion slices, pickled slices, and some bacon. And voila, you have burger in your hand.